Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the Minecraft modding tutorial. Today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to add your own fuel to the furnace. And it's very different from ModLoader or Forge in Minecraft 1.2.5, so I'd advise sticking around to watch this because it's very different. So, to start with, you'll need to go ahead and set up Forge. If you haven't seen my videos on how to do that, then go and check them out. And then you'll need to prepare your mod classes. And I've also got a video on that, so you can go and find that on those two videos on my channels. So once you've done that, inside your common proxy file, you need to go into the public static void method, and you need to type in game registry dot. And then if you're using the clips, you'll get all these options, and you need to choose the one register fuel handler. And then inside the brackets, you need to do new. And then whatever you write after this is the name of the class that it's going to be taking the details from. So I'm going to call this fuel handler tutorial, and then you need to do two more brackets and then a colon at the end, semicolon at the end. Now if you want to make it very quick, all you need to do is hover above the new and then whatever your class is called, and you need to hover above it and do create class and then whatever your class is called. And if you do this, it'll put most of the methods and everything that you need there straight away. So as you can see, I've got the name of my class. It implements fuel handler, iFuel handler, so you'll need to do that. And then it's got this get burn time item stack fuel. So now that you've done that, to actually add an item or fuel block to the furnace, then you need to do if open brackets, then whatever variable this item stack is, which is fuel, you need to do fuel dot item ID, and then do an equal sign, and now you need to do the item or block that is gonna be the fuel the furnace. And to do this, you can either choose a block or item that you created. So wherever you created that block or item in which class, you need to take the name of that class and then do dot and then choose the block or item. But I'm going to be using a default item or block which is already in the game. So the class the items are in is called item. So item dot, and why don't we choose a red apple? Why don't we do that? And then once you've chosen your item or block, at the end of that you need to do dot shifted index, and that will get rid of most of the errors, except now that you need to do return, and then this is going to be the amount of time that it actually burns for. So 800, I think 100 is one time, so why don't we just do it for 1000, just this, put semicolon, and then you also need to put this else just there. Yep, and I've just realised why this has got an error still, because where the equal signs is, you actually need to put two equal signs, and then that will remove the errors. And now if you want more than two fuels, then you can go ahead and copy all that if statement. And what you can do is you can change which item or block. So I could do a block for this, so I could do block dot. I can choose the block, so I could choose block dot steel. So that's a iron block. And at the end of that, what you need to do dot block ID, and that will get rid of the errors. And then you can also choose what length you want it to burn for. So I'm going to choose that for 100, which I think is one cycle. So now that you've done that, you can go ahead and launch it, and I'll be back once Minecraft is launched. See ya. So I'm back, Minecraft is launched, and I can go ahead, go into a world, and let's check out whether it's working. So here we are, we can go ahead and get a furnace, and it was an apple that would show, so let's get a few of them. Let's also get some block of steel, so let's get a few of them, and let's get something to burn. So let's burn some iron ore. There we are, a lot of iron ore, got that. And let's go ahead and place down our furnace. Let's put the iron ore in and the apple. There we are, apple started doing it. and as you can see it's lasting quite a while. And as I said, 100 is one cycle smelt. Now you can go ahead and put the block of iron in there, and let's just grab some ore out here. Go ahead, there we are, smelting it, not very fast. So actually 100 isn't enough, so maybe it's more than that. You'd have to find that out for yourself. That's going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it and hope it was helpful. If it was, then please subscribe to my channel to show your support. If you want Minecraft Forge tutorials, then like the video as well. I'll be really grateful, and I hope you all enjoyed this, guys. Peace.